Hi friends and family, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Zinhle Gama. Please make this your permanent YouTube home by clicking the subscribe and the notification bell down below. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, talk to me in the comment section, and share this video with your friends and family. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how you do this braided ponytail. You can make it into a bohemian or a goddess braid if you like, by adding in some curly bits, which you will see in the video. I added my curly bits, but now they're dying out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and that you guys try the style. It's very cute, very easy, very affordable. Come on. So products that I'm starting with: you need some hair gel, a brush, okay, a rat tail comb, dampening brush. So you want to part straight down the middle of your hair. Tap water just to dampen your hair. With your dampening brush, you're going to comb towards the back of your hair. Okay, so you want to get it as smooth as possible. Take some gel. I'm probably going to add more, but this gel smells really nice. So I'm going to take, and you see how I'm applying the gel. I'm not just placing it onto like one place, but I'm actually applying it in sections so that when I go to comb it down, it can be spread across very nicely. So you just wanna, because I've already attached it in the middle, and I'm gonna go into the back of my hair. I want to add some curly hair, so I'm going to take out like a very small section of hair. So I'm just going to wrap the hair around your roller curl. To dip the whole braid